Hey guys, it's me Kaiwan and I'm back with another video of giving away free preset on Lightroom. So in today's episode I'm going to give away a preset that pretty much looks good and fit on these kind of photos. So if you see on the screen, I have this photo of me and I'm going to apply the preset right now. So it's called Kaiwan Sweet Gold, and once you click on that and you get this result, boom. So if you look at the before and after, as you can see, it's gonna give you the sweet warm tone on your photos, and it's gonna also brighten up your photo a little bit. But I want to mention that this preset could not be perfect for any photo that you use, but it can be really good for similar photo if you have similar photo like this. I also want to mention that lately when I updated my Lightroom, all the preset formats changed to XMP file. So when you have this file, you can pretty much use it in Adobe Photoshop to Adobe Camera Raw filter, so you can use this exact preset on Lightroom and Photoshop too. But there is a little bit of downside about this XMP file. If you have a old version of Lightroom, I think you are not able to use it. I'm not sure. You comment down below if you have an old version, if you can use this XMP file. So hey guys, that was for today, and thank you so much for watching again. And if you want to support my channel, there is also a couple preset package that I have. I'll put all the links in the description. I have Moody preset collection. I have also Kaiwan preset, which is you get over 40 preset for a very low price. So yeah guys, thank you so much and have a great time till I see you in the next tutorial.